Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. Starting in February 2021, Google has begun adding a messaging feature to Google My Business listings, where in the past this feature was only available when accessing an account through the mobile app. It is now available on desktop. You can check for the feature by logging in to your Google My Business account. And if it is available to your listing, the messaging button will be found in the sidebar on the left. When you click the button, the messaging page will load. If messaging has not been activated, the page will look like this. Simply click the Turn On Messaging button, and that's it. Customers can now send messages through Google Maps and the Google My Business listing. You can learn more about this feature on the Google My Business help page, which we'll put a link in the description below. This feature adds another way in which customers can contact you. Most e-commerce users prefer to message with companies through web sources. However, they also expect responses. Conversions and positive reviews come from responsiveness. The messaging feature may be useful for virtual and co-working businesses or others that have staff available at a desktop computer who can monitor for incoming messages. Consider your individual company's needs and ability to respond before activating the messaging feature. Thanks, and I hope this helps.